running just as a trebuchet. Come on, get back. That hit in the road. Mine. One 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. That's impacts from the pumpkin right there and there. What I say, 145, 5. 46, 47, 49, 50, 51, 53, 54, 55, 56. $156. That's like over 430. Man, it's way down here. Second pull is 4, 6, 7. We're at 700 feet. Cool. That's funny. So it threw further as a trebuchet with no springs. Which means that has everything to do with the arc, because we had theoretically more power. The launch angle was probably higher, so we're going to gain some distance by that alone. I guess I have some stuff to think about.